When thinking about your next home move, why not try something different? Joe went out to get help on maybe not finding a new home, but maybe building one from the ground up.
Coming to you from Mcdowell Homes, and joining me right now is Amanda Kritzer. She is one of the many people here working for Mcdowell Homes. Amanda, thank you so much for this time. We are safely distant right now, practicing safe protocols. Tell me about Mcdowell Homes and why you love working here so much.
There's so many reasons I can't even begin to list, but just this company's a giant family. You know, everyone's very family oriented. We have so many talented agents here. It's just so nice to be able to call somebody whenever you need anybody, and just the constant support from our brokers, Chaz and Kayleen. They're great people, and it's just such an amazing company to work for.
And there's so many agents that focus on specific areas, and I want to talk to you about Lakes of Orange. First off, where is that?
So Lakes of Orange is a new community located on Brainerd and Miles in Orange Village. We're building brand new homes, and we have limited lots left. So if you're interested in building, now's the time.
And it's interesting because there's not a lot of places where you can build new in that area.
No, that's the thing. If you want to be in Orange Village, in the city of Orange, this is really the only community building right now. There's definitely plots of land you could find and try to build, but if you want to be in a community, this is really the only community currently building in the area.
So let's do some shopping here, and let's
my
look at
favorite
some homes.
thing.
Yeah, right. Let's talk about the builder that's building these homes.
So Randy Kertes, family-owned business. They've been building for 40 plus years. It's him, his brother, and his sister that's running the business now. Amazing craftsmanship. Their product is unbelievable. I've worked with a few other builders. By far, Kertes Homes is my favorite builder to work with. Just everything they do from top to bottom is unbelievable.
This home market right now is unprecedented. Amanda,
it's the Wild West.
It is the Wild West. It really is
the
really good way to put
Wild
it.
West.
Yes, or the Wild East in this case.
The Wild East.
Yes. So let's talk about how and why we should think about, even if we were on the cusp of, well, maybe we should sell our home, maybe we should look into something else. Why now?
I mean, home prices are up 17% from this time last year till now. People are selling their homes for an all-time high. I mean, like I just said, the Wild West, the Wild East, we've never seen anything like this. There's 20 to 30 offers on every home going on in the market. It's highly competitive right now. Highly competitive market.
So if someone watching right now thinks, okay, maybe we should just dip our toe in the water, now's the time to see.
Dip the toe, you're gonna dunk your foot right in. I mean, people are getting offers even before their houses are going live. There's people knocking on doors. I've had clients say, Amanda, I had someone knock on my door, offer me cash today. What do? I have nowhere to go. It's truly insane.
Yeah. Amanda, let me ask you. Why should I build new if I can buy another home already on the market?
That's a great question. And with prices already being so high, at the end of the day, people are paying so over asking price for homes that are gonna need so much renovations. And right now, building a new home, even with the cost of supplies being higher than normal, it's actually equaling out to be almost pretty similar to purchasing a home that you're already gonna renovate versus buying something new that's completely custom, that meets your needs, instead of buying something that you have to kind of change around to meet your needs. When you build with us, you're building a completely custom home, so whatever works for you and your family. It's pretty nice building custom.
Well, I'll tell you what, and it's exactly what you want.
Yeah, and nowadays everyone wants, you know, the open concept, the high ceilings, the nice flow from the kitchen to the living room. And a lot of these older homes, I mean, you completely have to gut the whole home. And when you get into doing that, a lot of people think it's easy. HGTV has made it seem like every renovation
in half an hour.
is super easy, but I'll tell you this, once you get into those older homes and you start knocking down walls, you have no idea what you're getting into. It's so much nicer and easier and a better process to start from the ground up and build exactly what you want.
Amanda, if people want to get more information on Lakes of Orange and get in touch with you personally, how do they do that?
You can reach me directly. My phone number is 216-469-0535.
And lakesoforange.com. They can log on there and get more info. Let's talk about the availability. So right now we just launched our final and last phase of the community, which is exciting and kind of sad. So there's only 14 lots right now in our final phase. And they just opened.
And we just listed them about 2 weeks ago. So a lot of activity on them. If you want to learn more information, like you said, you could call me directly or visit our website. But limited availability. So
Right.
you want to get in, now's the time.
Wow, and it could be the last opportunity.
It is the last opportunity
okay.
to build
All right.
in lakes.
This is it. Well,
Yeah.
Lakes of Orange, a desirable place to build
Very.
and to live. Your fantasy future forever home is waiting for you. If you want more information on all the things we talked about,
Yeah.
mcdhomes.com, McDowell Homes website.
Correct.
Thank you so much, Amanda.
Thank you.
Appreciate all your time.
This segment of It's About You was sponsored by McDowell Homes.